Storm Chaser DL scales here in Tigard, Oregon, just south of the Portland Metro, where we are seeing ice accumulated along main roads here. You're looking at 99 West behind me, where you are seeing a decent amount of traffic. They still have a lot of public transportation, U.S. mail delivery services like that out today, obviously with the proper chain accommodations, which we do recommend that you have if you have to travel today. But again, traveling is not recommended, as a lot of smaller roads and back roads are still completely iced over. It's about 26 degrees out right now. We do have freezing mist, so all this mist that's coming down is freezing on contact with surfaces that are freezing, and right now that constitutes most surfaces around, including roads. My own vehicle is still partially iced over. So again, I urge you, stay home if you can. If you have to travel, make sure you have the proper accommodations. Make sure you have food, water, a backup plan if need be. So I'm going to be out here today in the Portland Metro, kind of covering this event as it continues to unfold, and I will check in with you all soon. You're near downtown Portland. This is the scene here. So they still got TriMet out. That bus doesn't actually have anything on it, or any chains on it, excuse me. But looks like they did get a little bit more snow accumulation out here than they did down south. I don't know what this is. This must be a one-way. So you can see not a whole lot of people out here. You got more slush down this way. But it's good to see that not a whole lot of people are out. It's a little bit of a walk. So just looking at the type of precip that fell here. Up in Portland, it seems like they did get a little bit more snow than they did further south. But I wanted to show you how fine and powdery. This isn't really something you can pack into a snowball or anything like that. Indicates that there was a lot more kind of a sleek, fine, icy powder versus the wet, compact snow that you might see. Although I will admit that the different layers of snow and ice have really made this compact. You can tell where my tire tracks are pretty much floating on top of it rather than really digging deep into it. So, very, very interesting. roads in Salem here. At least these little side streets, not the main streets. The main streets are a little bit better maintained, but these side streets, you can just tell by the reflection, it's just a solid sheet of ice. You can see where it's been broken up right there. But this is, wow. This is the scene here in Salem, Oregon. Storm Chaser DL Scales here, back in Wilsonville, Oregon. After a full day of snow coverage, we went to Portland, Salem, Newberg, and many other places. If you want to, you can go back and watch our live stream, which is up on our channel. We should expect a lot of this ice to melt by around 3, 4 in the morning, Saturday morning, early Christmas Eve. We should have no travel restrictions or anything like that, so you all should be able to have a happy, safe Christmas, ice-free, hopefully. But hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for all your support, and we'll see you in the next one.